What's going on, YouTube? So today, I'm a little sick and tired of my seats. They're nasty, and I need to get them replaced. I actually replaced them with a car seat cover, a little bit more inexpensive option. Compared to, some of those really nice high-end seat covers, or just to take it down to an upholsterer. These seat covers cost about $100 just for the front two, but they actually look pretty decent. I'm going to show you what they actually look like, and then I'll show you how I installed them. So the brand that I purchased came off of Amazon. They do come from China. They come in several different colors. You have beige, you have gray, black, black red, black blue. It's for a variety of different makes and models. There are some universal fit seat cushions, and then there's also ones designated. I believe this one right here is a universal fit for a Toyota product, being like the Tundra, the Sequoia. Now these are actually pretty nice. They are padded. This is like a vinyl or whatever, but it's imitation leather. You can accept a headrest. So you have 4 pairs of zippers here, so you could separate it and then be able to slide the headrest inside. And then it does come with a headrest cover with some straps on the back. Now, as far as the quality of the seat is concerned, I like it. I think it looks really good. It does have some pockets in the back, and gives some protection for the back of the seat. If you have side airbag bags, it's on the side of it right here. You can, it allows for those side airbags to deploy. It's a good temporary fix for what I needed to do. So let's go ahead and install this, and I'll show you how it goes on. So first order of business when you're doing the seat is hit the little button on the side and take off the seat cushion, or take off this headrest. The next part is pretty easy. Because it slips on almost like a glove. Each one of the seats comes with these little brackets here. So I have a little spare one. So underneath, you flip this over, you'll see these little tabs. What you'll do is you'll run it on one side all the way through. So it looks like that. Do that for the other side. Just like that. And then push it underneath in between the base of the seat and the back of the seat. And that's what's going to hold this seat tight. There you go, just like that. And then you have this little elastic that'll go down underneath, and it'll clip, and then you have these little clips right here that'll go underneath the seat base, and you'll just find some sort of bracket or something underneath, and you'll be able to connect it to it. As far as the headrest is concerned, just take the zippers here, see it, you can separate the zippers. Right, so you'll have one part of the seat post here, and then the other part of the seat post there, and then you can zip them together. Now, once you put the seat post in there, depress that button, and it'll go down. Once you get it close to being almost all the way to the or once you get it inside, snug up the zippers, and you can tuck those back in, and you can adjust the headrest from there. Or you take said headrest cover. Like I said, I don't have too much faith in these elastic straps here. Or that these buckles will be on the back side where my kids will be at, and they'll be able to press them. So that's the only drawback to these headrests. My headrests aren't that bad, but I just want to show you guys how they look. I'm sure I'll be taking them off because I don't want my kids messing with them. Definitely a lot better than what I had. Just sitting in this one, I can feel that it's like it's not floating, it's not moving around, it's not moving on me. You know, I guess time will tell. We'll see how this thing goes. The brand is called Aoog. Aoog. And it's on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. If you choose to buy it through the link, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do get a small little portion. However, there's no additional price to you guys, so through my affiliate link, that would be, you know, helping me support the channel. So thank you for watching. I know this must have been just a short little video, but for those of you that had the same struggle as I do about those nasty seat covers, it's a pretty good solution, and it's inexpensive and a good temporary fix. So you're not too embarrassed driving around with nasty seats with a t-shirt on them, or, you know, a beach towel over it. At least it looks semi-decent. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment in the description, or I don't know why I screwed that up. If you have a question, just leave it in the comments, and I'll get right back to you. All right. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.